Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, according to Fortune magazine, stablecoin startup Agora has completed a $50 million Series A funding round led by Paradigm. Agora has partnered with cryptocurrency companies such as Polygon to help them launch customized stablecoins for decentralized finance projects. Next news, Korean media group K-Wave Media, listed on NASDAQ, has announced a convertible note agreement with Anson Funds. Anson has agreed to provide financing of up to $500 million, with KWM using at least 80% of the net proceeds to purchase Bitcoin. Next news, according to CoinDesk, German state-owned development bank NRW Bank has issued a blockchain bond worth $116.7 million USD. The 2-year bond was issued on the Polygon blockchain and registered using the infrastructure of Cashlink Technologies, a crypto securities registry licensed by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. This is NRW, Bank's first fully digital bond issuance under the German Electronic Securities Act as a crypto security. The law allows bonds to exist entirely on a blockchain network without the need for physical certificates. Next news. Pump Fund has announced the acquisition of wallet tracking tool Colscan. Colscan tracks the wallet activity of top on-chain traders in real time, providing transaction dynamics, token profit and loss data, and leaderboard functions. Pump Fund stated that this integration will bring a better product experience to users of both parties and is expected to create a new on-chain trading experience, reshaping the relevant ecosystem. Next news, Bitcoin has surged past 117,000, setting a new all-time high. This breakout is driven by 3 major shifts. First, institutional capital is leading the charge with $1.5 billion in ETF inflows last week and 135 public companies, including MicroStrategy, holding BTC on their balance sheets. Second, policy momentum is accelerating. The Trump-backed Genius Act and plans for a national Bitcoin reserve are signaling a more crypto-friendly regulatory future. Third, market structure is shifting. Bitcoin is up 20% this year, while most altcoins remain down over 40%, as capital concentrates around BTC's digital gold narrative.
I'll buy some Bitcoin. I just came into a little extra money when my dad raised my allowance.
Next news. Ethereum has surged past the 3,000 mark, hitting a 30-day high with a daily gain of over 6%. This breakout is powered by 2 key drivers. First, we're seeing strong capital inflows into spot ETH ETFs with 8 straight weeks of net inflows, totaling over 61,000 ETH. At the same time, open interest in Ethereum futures on the CME has climbed to 3.27 billion, marking a yearly high. Clearly, institutions are building positions fast. Second, the tokenization narrative is gaining serious momentum. Giants like BlackRock are accelerating real-world asset tokenization from government bonds to real estate, and Ethereum is emerging as the backbone of this movement. In just 1 week, total value locked in tokenized RWA projects on-chain jumped 37%. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.